Welcome to this FX Empire review of FBS, a broker that was established in 2009 and is the official trading partner of FC Barcelona, boasting a presence in more than 190 countries with 15 million traders and over 410,000 partners. FBS is a brand name of FBS Markets Inc, which is authorised and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize, and this can be confirmed by looking at the regulator's register here with FBS Markets Inc. FBS provides users with the ability to trade with a maximum leverage of 1 to 3,000 across various different account types. The standard account, cent account, micro account, zero spread account, and ECN account here at the bottom. And as we can see here on the standard account, the initial deposit of $100 with spread starting from 0.5 pips. And we can see here on the cent account, the initial deposit is just $1 with spread starting from just 1 pip. And as we go up the micro account, this offers fixed spreads from 3 pips, an initial deposit of $5, and a zero spread account, which is an initial deposit of $500, again with fixed spreads at 0 pips. And if we scroll further down, they also provide access to an ECN style trading account, which has an initial deposit of $1,000 with spreads from minus pip or literally 0 pips. And as you can see here, there's a few more benefits that are listed here by the broker with 24/7 customer support. FBS provides the ability to trade on the Metatrader4 and Metatrader5 trading platform, which we'll be taking a look at further in this video review. And as you can see here, they provide download links for both terminals on Windows, iOS, Android, WebTrader, multi-terminal, and also Mac OS. With FBS, users can access a wide variety of different markets, such as foreign exchange, metal, CFDs, Forex, exotics, and stocks. As you can see here on their contract specification page, they also list out the minimal and typical spread for each of the asset classes, as well as swap, long and short charges as well. And this is across their different accounts. So the cent account, standard, zero spread, ECN, and micro. So here on the standard account, we can actually see here the minimal spread there on Aussie against the US dollar is 0.6 pip with a typical spread of 0.8 pips. Okay, and we can see here with Aussie Canadian dollar minimal spread of 1 pip and typical spread of 5 pips. So, useful information and transparent here. Got different access to metal markets, different CFDs, so index CFDs here as well. You can see typical spread values and swap long and swap shorts. And you can see there are some commissions on some accounts on some asset classes. And if we scroll further down, we can see Forex exotics here on the standard account. It has minimal and typical spreads and access to a wide variety of different exotic currencies there, such as the Brazilian real, Chinese yuan, and so on. And they also have the same information here for stocks, which also lists out the different commissions for the different asset classes for the different trading accounts. The broker also provides access to a variety of different promotions here, and they also provide access to different analytics and educational tools, such as Forex News, Daily Market News, Forex TV, lots of webinars and seminars, as we can see here. We've got access to foreign exchange news here, so different article formats which are updated regularly. There's also daily market analysis as well of different asset classes. Forex TV channel as well, such as the weekly insights, daily training plans, and webinars, which are going to be quite useful for both beginner and advanced traders. The broker also provides access to customer support via live chat and callback feature. So here we have the Metatrader5 trading platform provided by FBS. And as we can see here, we've got access to different markets here on the left-hand side. And if we right click here and select symbols, we can actually see all the different symbols that are available to trade with, such as the different stocks here, for example. And you can also see you have access to the swap long, swap short values as well. And you can also see foreign exchange currencies here at the top as well. So wide variety of different asset classes available. Users can also right click and click show all. And these are all the asset classes or instruments available to trade with. So here, right now we're on the chart with euro against the US dollar. We can see the spread there is just about 1 pip. And users have access to different time frames from 1 minute charts all the way up to monthly charts. And there's a wide variety of different indicators available, such as moving averages, different oscillators like MACD, different volume indicators and custom made indicators as well. And to actually place a trade, users have different options. They can either place market execution trades or pending orders with limit and stop orders. There's also a one-click trading feature here where you can click buy or sell. For the first time, I'll ask you to just read a disclaimer, and if you accept those terms, then you go back in and you either click buy or sell. And what you can also do is look at the toolbox here at the bottom, and when you click buy, for example, that one-click trading feature automatically opens a trade. And users can actually trade directly from the chart, so you can actually move your entry prices and stop loss and take profit orders. So here, for example, in a live trade, we can left click and hold down on this entry price and drag it down for a stop loss. We can left click and hold down and drag it up for a take profit, and you can see a stop loss and take profit have now been added to that. And to close this, we can simply right click and click on close positions. So quite simple to use. Now let's take a look at the MetaTrader mobile trading app provided by FBS. So here we have the Metatrader5 mobile trading app provided by FBS. As we can see here on the home page, we've got access to quotes, charts, history, news, and an economic calendar. If we go to the quote window, we can actually see here there's a list of quotes for different instruments that are available to trade with, and users can add different instruments by clicking the pencil icon and the plus icon, and this lists all the different markets that are actually available to trade with via FBS. If we go back to the quote window, we can actually click on one of these markets like Euro Dollar here at the bottom, where the spread there is currently 0.9 pips. And if we click on this, this gives us some options to open a new order, chart, properties, or market statistics. If we open up a chart here, for example, we actually now have access to the chart, and we can change different things here. We can add different indicators on by clicking the F icon, and we've got access to Bollinger Bands and Ichimoku clouds and many other types of indicators. And we can also change a symbol here as well directly from the chart. And there's also some other functionality as well for users who double click on the chart. You can access different time frames. To place a trade, users simply need to click the plus icon at the top, and this will open up a trading ticket, and you have market execution and a variety of limit and stop orders. Users can actually select their fill policy as well, and add on more functionality, such as adding on a take profit or a stop loss. In this instance, we're just going to click at buy at market, and you can see that has now opened this trade. And if users hold down on this, they have access to different options. They can modify position, place a new order, or close the position. So quite simple to use, clean functionality here in this MetaTrader5 mobile trading app provided by FBS. And that really wraps up this FX Empire review of FBS. We hope you found it to be of value, and we wish you all the best in your trading.